Hello children, how are you all? So children, today we are going to start a new lesson of science, that is lesson number 3, living styles of animals for class 5th. All the 5th class students, take out your term reader, that is page number 132. Let us start with the reading activity. Yeah. Different animals live in different surroundings or environment. They differ in habits, body feature, shape and size. All of their activities, breathing, moving, feeding, etc. should suit to their environment, otherwise they will die. So yes, we have different types of animals and all these animals have different types of habits. उनका सांस लेने का तरीका, उनका घूमने का, उनका breathing, उनकी feeling, everything is different. And that thing should be matched with the environment. क्योंकि अगर nature और animals के बीच में कोई breathing का everything अगर वो match नहीं हुआ तो animals will die. Okay, like how we are getting oxygen from the nature, right? अगर in case oxygen हमें मिलना बंद हो जाए, we are getting free oxygen, right? और oxygen हमें मिलना बंद हो जाए, so what happens? We will die. Similarly, it is necessary for the nature as well as the animals that they should match with each other. Then only the animals can live. Let us start with the first one, that is breathing. How do the animals breathe? Animals breathe to get oxygen. Oxygen burns the food and sets free the energy. This energy is used in various living activities. So animals, they breathe what? They breathe oxygen. And that oxygen is used because the food which they will eat, that food oxygen will burn. So if the oxygen, the food burns, then only it produces energy in the animal. So this is how oxygen is necessary. So land animals get oxygen from air and aquatic animals get dissolved oxygen from water. So they have different types of organs for breathing. The animals which are living on the land, जो animals land में रहते हैं, उन्हें ऑक्सीजन डायरेक्टली हवा से मिलता है. बट एनिमल्स जो पानी में रहते हैं उन्हें ऑक्सीजन पानी में मिलता है. कैसे? बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन गेट्स डिजॉल्व्ड इन द वाटर. सो दिस इज हाउ द एनिमल्स विच लिव इन द वाटर, दे ब्रीथ ऑक्सीजन. एंड दीज टू एनिमल्स, दे हैव डिफरेंट रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन. द एनिमल्स विच आर लिविंग ऑन द लैंड, उनके पास एक अलग ऑर्गन होता है जिसकी वजह से वो ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. एंड द एनिमल्स विच आर लिविंग ऑन द वाटर, दे हैव another organ with which they breathe. Like amoeba is the smallest animal. It cannot be seen by naked eye. It is seen through a microscope only. That is why it is called a microbe. It breathes through the body surface. So you can see amoeba. ये हम लोग हमारे खुली आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. So we see this animal with the help of microscope. Okay. So इसके वजह से इस animal को क्या बोला जाता है? Microbe. And वो कहाँ से ब्रीथ करता है? इट डज नॉट हैव एनी नोज, इट डज नॉट हैव एनीथिंग. सो दे ब्रीथ विद द बॉडी पार्ट्स. नेक्स्ट, अर्थवर्म टू डज नॉट हैव अ ब्रीथिंग ऑर्गन. इट ब्रीथ्स थ्रू द स्किन. दिस अर्थवर्म, उसके पास भी कोई भी ब्रीथिंग ऑर्गन नहीं रहता है. सो दिस अर्थवर्म, ये कैसे ब्रीथ करता है? उसकी स्किन से. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? इंसेक्ट. Insect breathe through the holes called spiracles. Spiracles lead in the air tubes that reach to every tissue of the body. The body of the insect does not have hemoglobin, a substance that carries oxygen. So air tube network helps in carrying oxygen through the body. Next is what? Different types of insects. Insects में खून नहीं रहता है. They don't have hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is nothing but red blood. So insects में hemoglobin नहीं रहता है. That's why उनके पास वो कोई organ ही नहीं है जो human beings के पास होता है. How do they breathe? They breathe with the help of holes. उनकी body में tiny holes रहते हैं. And that holes transfers the oxygen from air into their body. This is how the insect breathe oxygen. But they don't have nose or other part. No part is there. But just they have what? Holes. With the help of these holes, they breathe oxygen. Next is what? Fish. A fish breathes through gills. The fish takes water in through the mouth that passes out through gills. Oxygen dissolved in water is absorbed into the blood from the blood vessels in the gills. Crabs, oysters and tadpoles also breathe through gills. Next is what? We human beings, we have lungs. With the help of lungs we breathe. Animals also, few animals, they have lungs. But fish पानी के अंदर रहता है, सो उनके पास लंग्स नहीं रहते, उनके पास क्या रहते हैं, गिल्स. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ गिल्स व्हाट हैपेंस, वो पहले पानी को पीता है. पानी पीने के बाद थ्रू द माउथ दैट पासेस आउट थ्रू द गिल्स. सो पानी के अंदर ऑक्सीजन भी डिजॉल्व रहता है. सो दैट ऑक्सीजन it passes through the gills and the water passes in the stomach. This is how the fish gets oxygen. Okay. पानी, वो लोग पानी ही पीते हैं, बट पानी जब अंदर जाता है तो ऑक्सीजन, पानी के अंदर जो ऑक्सीजन रहता है वो गिल्स की तरफ जाता है, which helps them to breathe. This is how they breathe. And afterwards this oxygen is absorbed into the blood from the blood vessels in the gills. This is the gills. Okay, this is what this is gills. तो जब वो पानी पीते हैं ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे रहता है एंड पानी पीछे चले जाता है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस गिल्स इट कंटेन्स ऑक्सीजन एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स जो उनके अंदर ब्लड रहता है वो ब्लड इस ऑक्सीजन को ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है. ओके, और वो ब्लड वेसल्स में फॉर्म हो जाते हैं. इवन क्रैब्स, ऑस्टर्स एंड टैडपोल्स दे आल्सो ब्रीथ विद द हेल्प ऑफ गिल्स. ब्रीथिंग इन फ्रॉग इज मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. दे मे ब्रीथ इन द फॉलोइंग 3 ways. सो फ्रॉग की ब्रीथिंग सबसे हटके थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. हाउ, इट हैज 3 things, 3 ways. फर्स्ट वन इज tadpole. Tadpole is nothing but the baby of the plant, baby of the frog, which is very small. So this tadpole, they have gills. With the help of gills, they breathe. Next is what, जब frog थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है तो उसके पास क्या रहते हैं, they breathe with the help of moist skin. वो अपनी स्किन के थ्रू पानी ऑक्सीजन ऑब्जर्व करते हैं while in the water. And the adult frog breathe through their lungs. और जब फ्रॉग बड़ा हो जाता है so that frog they have what, lungs, and with the help of lungs they breathe. Next is birds. Birds, reptiles and mammals are lung breathers. The air is taken in through nostrils. It reaches the lungs through windpipe. The lung have a network of small blood vessels. Oxygen is absorbed into the blood from the air and carbon dioxide from the blood passes out in the air. Okay, so next, bird, reptiles and mammals, they have what, nostrils. Like how inside our nose we have nostrils, similarly birds have a slit tiny nose in which they have what, nostrils. So with the help of that nostrils, while they breathe, okay, they have lungs, and that oxygen, how do they breathe, they breathe with the help of lungs. So while breathing, जो एयर में ऑक्सीजन रहता है वो उनके नॉस्ट्रल्स में जाता है एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट पासेस टू द लंग्स. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स द विंड पाइप, जो उनकी विंड पाइप रहती है, लंग्स में विंड पाइप होती है, एंड दैट विंड पाइप इट ट्रांसफर्स द ऑक्सीजन टू द ब्लड वेसल्स. एंड देन लाइक द प्रोसेस, ऑक्सीजन दे ब्रीथ इन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दे लीव ऑफ. With the help of what? With the help of windpipe, which is been connected with the lungs. Whales and dolphins are mammals. Though they live immersed in water, they breathe through lungs. They have to come to water surface for breathing in air. Okay, so mammals and dolphins, though वो लोग भी पानी में ही रहते हैं, but still, okay, they will breathe with the help of what? Lungs. They are water animals. Don't get confused. Few water animals, they breathe with the help of what? Gills. But few water animals, they breathe with the help of lungs. So they have lungs. What do? They come to the water surface to breathe air and afterwards they again move. तो वो लोग जब पानी के पास ही आते हैं, वो लोग सांस लेके ऑक्सीजन को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, then afterwards they again move back. So these are the respiratory, breathing, respiration among different types of animals, either land animal or either water animals. So today we have learned about the tiny animals, like how they will breathe through the holes, through gills and through lungs. In the next session we will learn about the locomotion. Locomotion is nothing but the movement between the animals. So for today this much is enough. Read the lesson, watch the video. Till the time you will not understand, and we'll meet soon with a new topic, with a new session in our next video. Okay children, till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you.